Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to view all shared media in a Telegram web channel using your PC. If you're eager to find photos, videos, or any other media shared within a channel, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. This will take you to the Telegram web interface. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list and channels on the left side of the screen. Next, find the channel you want to explore. You can either scroll through your list of channels or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the one you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it. Now that you're inside the channel, look for the channel's name at the top of the screen. Clicking on the name will open the contact info page, where you can see various details about the channel, such as its description and member count. In the contact info section, look for the option labeled Media. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated area that displays all the media shared in the channel. This includes photos, videos, and any other files that have been uploaded, making it easy to find what you're looking for. As you browse through the media section, you'll see thumbnails of each item, which helps you quickly identify the content you want to view. If you're searching for something specific, take a moment to scroll through the collection and find the media that catches your eye. When you find a photo or video you want to explore, simply click on it. The media will open in a larger view, allowing you to see all the details and enjoy the content fully. You can also download or share the media directly from this view, which adds to the convenience. And that's it.